What is up, good people of the internet? My name is Nate Fancher, and this is an honest review of the Super Affiliate Network. Don't get into any business opportunity. Do not invest in any make money online biz op thing until you've done your research. And I'm going to tell you about the Super Affiliate Network in this video so that you can make a good decision. Because I was rushed into one. And I lost $6,000, literally $6,000 in a business opportunity that I didn't do enough research in. I was brand new to this whole niche, the make money online niche, and just got taken to the cleanest. But in this video, we're going to talk about the Super Affiliate Network. I'm going to go into detail and why I believe you need to know all about this network before you invest any dime. Okay, so here we go. This is their website at thesuperaffiliate.com, and they say here, empowering online entrepreneurs to build a business that creates an awesome lifestyle and gives them true and long-lasting freedom. We show aspiring online entrepreneurs how to grow their revenue and profits through strategic education, ongoing mentorship, and personal hands-on help. Our services include top-of-the-line information products, done-for-you services, one-on-one coaching, and in-person hands-on training. Learn more and get started today for just $7. All right, so if you were to do this right here, if you were to click on this to learn more, you would then see this great headline here, simple 4-step formula to unlock 9 red-hot income streams. It would be a pop-up here. You would put in your email address, and then you would all of a sudden be in their autoresponder follow-up series, and you would start to get information on this affiliate network. So what is so super about it though, right? Well, you can get started for $7. That's a good, pretty low price. And here's what happens when you get started for $7. Let's say you do this thing and you click here and then you put in your email and you get your access. You're going to be taken to a sales page that looks like this. Invite. Right here, a video will start to play from Misha Wilson, and he'll go over this this Super Affiliate monthly membership program. But it's more than a membership program. So here's what you get once you sign up for that. Oh, and by the way, you can get 100% free access. You don't even have to do the $7 thing. So try to exit out of there, and you'll get that. At least that's how it is for now. But check this out. Head over to here and you can do all that stuff. And let's say you go through that process. Here's what you get on the other side. You'll get some emails saying welcome. You'll get the start here page here, and you get a boot camp with 3 phases. Each phase gets a good amount of training. So module 1, if you don't know a thing about internet marketing or affiliate marketing, you get a good dose of conceptual, much needed mindset information on getting you started as an affiliate marketer. So they've got an awesome training. And then with that, you get a coach right away, $7 or for free, as I just showed you the little sneaky part there where you can get in for free. Coach Frazier is my coach. Awesome guy. I talked to him once already. He's got a little welcome video here. He shows you your next step. You can get a guy on the phone or on Skype, and you can get started learning about affiliate marketing. So far, so good, right? We like this so far? Well, don't make your decision yet. Keep listening to this review. Okay, so let's say you are in the flow and you start to see the good training stuff here, each one of these modules. You actually get given passwords into these modules. You can't just get in without putting in a password. You can't just move on your own. You have to connect with your coach or your sponsor, whoever signed you up, and you'll get a password to put in here, and then it'll unlock it. So that's 3 different phases, a total of 18 in the boot camp, a total of 18 training modules. So far, so good. Really good training. So you want to see good training in any business opportunity. Otherwise, you're just selling commissions. You're just saying, okay, if you give me $5,000, I make $2,500, and then you can go turn around and sell the same thing and make $2,500 when you go sell the $5,000 opportunity to make commissions. That is how a lot of business opportunities work, whether it's Well, I won't say any names. You need to make sure that you get value first. Do not sign up like I did in any business opportunity without making sure that there's good training for a low price, okay? $7, you get these 18 training modules. So far, so good. What next? All right, well, when you sign up, you get the Super Affiliate Monthly membership. So your first month is free if you can get that little sneaky thing that I showed you. Head over there and move up to here and close out wherever it was. Anyway, and you get the Super Affiliate Monthly. Here's access to the Super Affiliate Monthly Training Vault. Each month, there will be updated and fresh information. In here, you see trainings throughout the year, month after month, high quality training. Even better. So you get the boot camp, each one of the phases, okay? Each video training there. If you're brand new, stone cold newbie, you get the Super Affiliate Monthly, where Misha himself gets on here and he shows you really awesome things. The six-figure DMO, the presentation profit formula, strategies to generate 500 leads per day. Really good in-depth training. You got to have good in-depth training, like I said, right? You got to have that. Otherwise, you're just selling someone commissions or the opportunity to make commissions on nothing. You want to have a substantive product. If you get into a business opportunity, do not invest in any business opportunity without making sure that you can sell something like this first. So far, so good. Good training. 18 videos, like I said. The Super Affiliate Monthly, every month you get things. You get access to the coach that you have, where you can talk to them and learn and overcome hurdles and challenges, okay? Also, you get an awesome Facebook community, so it's getting better every moment. The Super Affiliate Network Inside Club. Who we are, what we do. What we are, who we are. Misha posted this. Super affiliates are a new breed of internet marketer, a breed of marketer with integrity, focus, determination, and power. Anyway, you got a lot of people in this community right now, and it's growing every day. On the Facebook page, 4,427 members, 279 new people. These are folks who are coming in on this thing. Once you sign up for the $7 or the free thing, which turns into a monthly, I didn't say this is important, it turns into a monthly priced thing at $37 per month. You then begin to learn about affiliate marketing and network marketing, and you get real people in your life to help you. You get a coach, and you get a community of folks you can reach out to when you're stuck. That's huge. You got to have this. You can't do it on your own. But that's not all you get. Obviously, here's the business opportunity part. You get to see how to make money, and you also get commissions. So when you get in at the $7 trial or the $47, I think it's $37 a month. That might have changed. But you get 70% commissions whenever you get anyone to go get the membership just like you did. You get 70% of that recurring revenue. And if they go do it, so you build a team, if they go do it, those who you sign up, you're getting 5%. So what's the math on that? Every month, you'll be making $25 on one new person that you sign up. Let's say you get 5 people. Just 5 people will end up paying for your membership. And what if those 5 people go get some people? Let's see how that adds up. If those 5 people go get 5 people, that's 25 people. And that's just passive recurring income. And it just can scale more and more and more. But that's not all. You get to also promote other SAN Premium, the one-time stuff, 40% of a $97. That's a premium one-time cost. The annual, which is a $397 product, 40%. And then you have a tier 2, so your team members can make money. So you can make money off of your team members as well, who are promoting it and getting members themselves. Now, you can position yourself. You can get into the higher back end where there's real money to be made and make $1,000 commissions right here when you promote the pro level, which is really where the money's made. But if you're not ready for that, you're not going to be pressured into that. That's what's great about this community. They don't try to upsell you, and make you lose your shirt and completely, thereby shooting yourself in the foot. You don't want that. You want to be in a position where you can start to learn and make a little bit of sales, and then as you are able, invest in the greater opportunities and position yourself to have greater earnings. And the pro level is really what you want to aim for and set a goal to be up there, which is a $2,500 one-time charge, and then you are positioned to make good income. And then whenever you sell a pro position, you make $1,000 per sale. And then whenever that team member that you bring on brings someone on at the pro level, you get 20%, which is a $500 commission. So imagine how quickly that can add up if you're positioned in this position at the pro membership. But you don't have to start there. So far, so good. This is amazing. This opportunity is legitimate. And along the way, you will learn. They don't just give you the opportunity to make money on their stuff. They give you the opportunity to learn and grow as an internet marketer, as an affiliate marketer. That's really the point. If you want to have transformation in your finances, if you want to see freedom, financial freedom, if you want to go to the next level in your online business, if you want to escape that rat race, that 9-to-5 rat race, if you want to escape that terrible traffic that you fight whenever you're commuting into town for work, if you want to have a life that is up to you and your schedule, this is your opportunity. So at the end of the day, I suggest you invest the $7, the free, first month free membership into the Super Affiliate Network and get started in the boot camp. Beneath this video, you'll see a link. Just click that link and get started. You have nothing to lose. You need to learn about internet marketing. You need to learn from the pros who have made millions of dollars. Misha Wilson, who created this, it's not even that old yet. It's about 1.5 years or 2 old, which is actually an amazing opportunity right now. If you're getting in, you really are still considered to be a first mover. And you're getting in at a great time. It'll just begin to grow even more and more and more and become more popular. And you need to dive into this opportunity. You need to dive into this opportunity if you are considering a change. If you lost your job and you need to figure out a way to make money online, this is a great place to start because you have to learn how to do affiliate marketing with a community, with a coach, with good, valuable training. And then as an affiliate marketer yourself, you have to be passionate about the products that you promote. And if you promote the Super Affiliate Network like I am right now, you need to be passionate about it. Listen, the last one that I was in, I did not have a passion for this product because there was really no product, at least for the money that they were charging to get that high commission. The business opportunity, the franchise part, if you will. $6,000, I'm promoting something that has like a few videos and some training that you can get for free. This stuff is top-notch quality training. Misha is awesome, and you'll begin to grow as an affiliate marketer. People who have never made a dime online have seen success with this. So dive in, link below the video. Please subscribe here. You can check out my blog, cashfoo.com. I'll be doing updates all the time on the Super Affiliate Network and sharing with you my tips on organic traffic generation, free traffic, as well as solo ad, paid traffic. And if you don't know what that stuff is, and that's like lingo that's above your head or jargon that you have no clue what it means, that's all right. You can get started. You can learn this stuff. I recommend you start here. The link below the video, Super Affiliate Network. I have been Nate Fancher, Cashfoo. Leave me your questions in the comments section or shoot me an email, hello@cashfoo.com. Guys, adios.